Blessed is she who has believed that the Lord will fulfill his promises to her. Luke 1 and verse 45. Hey royals, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this cute half up half down hairstyle with these two side pieces. So this unit that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in collaboration with WestKiss Hair Company. So the wig came in this cute pouch right here, you guys. So a bit about this unit. This is their 20-inch Jerry Curly 13 by 4 180% density HD lace frontal unit. If you are interested in purchasing, I'll put all the information for this wig in my description bar down below. So this is an HD lace, you guys. So the lace melted perfectly. I did went ahead to bleach and pre-pluck the unit a little bit more. So if you are interested to see how I did this half up half down hairstyle using this 20-inch Jerry Curly unit from WestKiss Hair, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So let's jump right into the installation process of this Jerry Curly unit. So the unit that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in collaboration with WestKiss Hair Company. They were gracious enough to send me over their 20-inch 180% density 13 by 4 HD undetectable lace frontal, and I received this in a large cap size. So inside of the bag along with the wig, I received a hair bonnet, some eyelashes, a pair of stocking cap, an elastic band, as well as a thank you card. So a bit about this 20-inch Jerry Curly unit. The hair did come pre-plucked, and a bit about the inside cap construction. It has two combs behind of the lace, one to the back, and it comes with an adjustable strap so you can adjust it to your particular liking. So I did went ahead to pluck the hair a little bit more and bleach the knot on this unit before the installation process. So let's jump right into the installation process of this 20-inch Jerry Curly unit from WestKiss Hair. So you guys, I'm back with another video. So today the wig that I'm going to be installing today is in collaboration with WestKiss Hair. So the wig came in this pouch right here with some goodies, you guys. I know I have been MIA. Your girl celebrated her birthday 1 year older, thank God for life. So I just needed a break to regroup. This is gonna be a quick and easy install. I already did my ball cap method, so I'm going ahead to tint the lace. So I'm gonna be using my Black Radiance True Contour palette in medium to dark to tint the inside of the lace today. So after I'm finished tinting the lace, I am going to set that with my ORS spray, and then I adjusted the adjustable straps to the back. I'm just cutting off the extra lace around my ear tabs area, and I did went ahead to cut the lace in 4 smaller sections. So today I'm going to be using my Esha Absolute Lace Wand glue, and I did about 3 layers of this glue today to do this install. So once the glue is tacky, it's time for me to push the lace into the glue, and I'm just taking my fingers just to push that in. And to further melt everything, I'm going over with my ORS Olive Oil spray just to hold that a little bit more, and then I go over that with my blow dryer. So I did went ahead to melt the lace using my elastic band. So now I'm just gonna be working on my baby hairs. So today I just decided to go with a half up half down hairstyle with a minimalistic amount of baby hair look. So I'm just gonna work on my baby hairs. So today, to lay my baby hairs, I'm gonna be using my holy grail, my Gorilla Snot gel along with my ORS olive oil foaming mousse. So after I'm done laying my baby hairs, I did went ahead to further melt the lace a bit. So I'm just going to be working on my two side pieces that I'm going to be using to create my half up half down hairstyle. So I'm just going in with my thermal hot comb just to sleek the hair back. And after I'm done sleeking the hair back with my hot comb to further lay everything, I'm going to be using my Murray's Australian beeswax in the yellow bottle to just sleek everything up to my liking. So I'm going in with more of the ORS olive oil holding spray so that it could hold the hair in place, you guys. So I'm just gonna sleek everything up with my rat tail comb until I get everything how I want it to go. So to create this ponytail, I'm just gonna be using a piece of fabric just to wrap that around until it's secured to my liking, and I'm just gonna be taking some hair to the back to wrap that around to cover the fabric that I put in my hair. So it's all about self-preference. I decided to use fabric because it holds my hair perfectly, but you can go ahead and use a hair tie, hairband, or woogle band, whatever you call it, to create your ponytail, but this works best for me. So now I'm going over with my Isoplus hairspray just to add a bit of shine to this wig. And I did went ahead to further melt the front portion with my elastic band. So now I'm just gonna define the curls on this unit using some water mixed with conditioner, and I did went over that with my olive oil foaming mousse just to define the curls a little bit more on this Jerry curl unit from Ft.WestKiss hair company. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with my denim brush that I got from Janet collection just to make sure that the curls are defined. So that concludes the installation process of this 20-inch HD 13 by 480% density unit that I got from Ft.WestKiss hair company. If you made it until the end, thank you so much for watching, you guys, and see you in my next video. God bless. So you guys, this is the end result of my Jerry curly unit from Ft.WestKiss hair company. What I wanted to do is a bit different because you know I always do side parts or middle parts when I have my lace frontal unit. So a bit about this unit: this is their 20-inch 180% density 13 by 4 HD lace unit. So they have lengths on their website from 12 inches up to 30 inches. So I got the 13 by 4 HD lace in the density of 180%. This wig retails for $300.99, you guys. So far, you guys, the wig is everything, you guys. Like, the density is really nice. It's not too thick, neither is it thin, which I love about this unit. It's like, today is really nice. My olive oil mousse just to define the curl, as well as some water and conditioner. So far, so good, you guys. I'll leave all the information for this wig in my description bar down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit. So thank you so much for sticking with me until the end. So until next time, always remember to put God first in everything that you do, and see you in my next video. God bless.